Yo, I know see Elrico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging plan.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing great. Hope you all doing well. So you know what you're doing, so just do like, comment and share. And if you are new, I would like you to subscribe. And do subscribe, just turn on the notification bell, put it on all so that when we drop a video you are going to be the first one to be notified. I would like you to like up this video. Do not forget to leave a comment. Thanks for doing so. Now viewers and subscribers, I bring forth this video to let you know all see the professional way of preparing a road so that the road can last not for a lifetime but for a good period of time. You understand what I'm saying to you viewers and subscribers? So I want you to take a look at this preparation and tell me what you people think, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Because back in the days people usually broke stone and all those things to get a road prepared so that the workman them would come forward and they would buy the stone from the people them, and then they would lay it down and get the road up and running. Nowadays I don't see that it's a small straight mall, and you know it come on to mall and water, you know they no agree. And that's what I say, viewers and subscribers. So why can we try to get back in some of those days? Go back in some of those days so that when the government, whoever government in power, and spends so much billions of dollars to prepare a road, it don't last just 5 years. We can get the road last decades or a good period of time. Because nothing gonna last forever. So there's gonna be a time where it's gonna deteriorate. It's not gonna last forever. But these roads that they preparing nowadays, if you check them out, is mostly mall. How long it gonna last? How long you expect a mall should last? First of all, if we get a good show of rain, it's not gonna last long. Guarantee you that, viewers and subscribers. So I bring forth this video. I wanna say shout out to Mr. Machine. You can check out his page on Facebook. You understand? That's where I get this clip from to bring forward so we can see viewers and subscribers. You understand? So I hope you all enjoy it. I hope you all get a full understand what I'm trying to show new viewers and subscribers the right and proper way. Because if you check out and look what they are doing there, it's gravel. This is gravel. Some people use crush and run. I understand I say crush and run is the same stone, but the gravel more smaller, the crush and run more bigger, and the crush and run come with aisle. And that's my viewers and subscribers. So when you prepare a road like this in this condition, come on viewers, we have a better road condition and it will be last for a better, it will be more solider, and you would have less sinking because when you use the mall, if you use the mall and you don't use it in the right way, what you get, it can have a sink. Sometimes when you're driving on the road and you find the road sinky because right there, so not prepare good or right there, so have some water or the land surface is not solid. So when you dig it and you put gravel and all these things, then you will get a better surface. You will have a road that lasts longer. I hope you all understand it, viewers and subs. I hope you all enjoy this video. I would like to give me a like, and if you're new and subscribe, thank you very much. Welcome to the family. Bless up, manners and respect. Continue watch your video, viewers and subscribers. Bless up to each and everyone. Bye guys. So viewers and subscribers, remember preparing a road when you want a road to prepare in the right way, not just done overnight. You understand me? I say viewers, it's gonna take time. So if you know it's gonna take time and you're willing to do the thing the right way, take the time and do it. You understand me? I say viewers, and do it in the right way and avoid this country from re-spending the same money that they spend to things already, re-spend it on the same thing. And remember, we are not the first world country when we have money like that. We are re-spend on the same thing where we already spend already. You understand me? So viewers and subscribers, as I say, we bring forth this video for me to see. Because I may not see, I know, if you see the road should really prepare in the right way. A road that can last for decades and decades. Not gonna last for a lifetime, because after a while it will deteriorate. You understand what I say? But when you prepare the road in this condition, we have it for a good period of time. And that's my viewers and subscribers. So I know that to come to the end of another video. Hope you all enjoyed. If you didn't even subscribe, welcome to the family. So we say see you people in the next video. Safe travel upon the gravel. Bless up. I'm out.